Today is raining day again and again, and I'm going to Daily Pussycat basement flat. Okay. This is her little basement flat. Okay. Okay, I put some meals. When Pussycat and her friends will be back, they will be glad. Okay. Now we will go to Pixel and Mary place. It's light rain. Wow. Oh, Alex meets me. Okay, just a moment. Okay, Alex. Now I'll feed you. Where's your friends? Where's Pixel and Mary? Kitty. Kitty. Alex is hungry. Okay, Alex. Just a moment. Kitty. They hide because of raining. Alex is eating now. Okay. When we'll meet Pixel and Mary, tell them back and eat. Okay. Have a good one, little baby. Afina Pussycat is living here. Oh, Afina, hi. How are you? Now I'll put you some meals to this place because of this place is dry. Rain cannot put to this place. Afina is eating now. Yes, Afina. Have a good one, my little angel. This is the pad of Orange Cat and his friends. At present time, here live his sister, grey sister, with her children's little kittens, Black Pussycat and another friends. Okay. Now I'll put some meals. Okay, I put some meals. When they exit or will be back, they will be glad and full. Okay. They don't exist because of raining. They usually sit in dry and warm basement flat. This is the place of Black Cat, Teги, Pussycat and their friends. Okay, they ate almost all meals. Now I'll put fresh milk. I put some fresh meals for them. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Matroskin and Orange Bro is living here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. О, Матроскин. Василий Матроскин, how are you? You're a good boy. Oh. Anybody put some meals? But it's raining, this put is wet. Go to the dry place. This dry place because of balcony under this place. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, my brothers. Have a good one. Hi, I got meat. I got meat. I got smoky meat. Where's the gray? It's gray. Where's Smoky? Where's your girlfriend? I got and gray cats. Meat. Me and Janat with lighter. Okay, where's your girlfriend? Smoky. Smoky, Smoky. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What they're eating now. Bye bye, my little friends. Oh, friends. Angels. Bye bye, my little friend. Bye bye, my little angels. I love you. Have a good one. Ну вот здесь интеренок живет. Тетя Грация. Бенгал их дружок. И друзья тоже. Так, ну тут все, подъели, я смотрю, подчистую. Я припозднился, уже 12 час ночи. И они, видимо, это ждали. Ну сейчас проголодаются, еще выйдут, поедят. Кири, Кири. О, this place of Bengal. Amber and Grazia Pussycat. Okay, they ate all meals. Кири, Кири, Кири. Кири, Кири, Кири. Кири, Кири, Кири. Amber came. Hi, Amber. I love you. I love you, my little baby. Okay. Have a good one. Have a good one, Angel. This is basement flat of Annabella's family. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Now Annabella family is inside. Okay. This is the water. And now I put some meals. Okay, now Annabella family will be full and glad. This is the place of Siamese Pussycat family. Oh, okay. Just a moment. Now they have some meals, but we will put more meals now. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay. Because it's raining, they sit in their basement flats and don't want to exit. But tomorrow they will be glad when see some meals for them, for their kittens. Two pussycats live here now, and 2 kittens. Okay, thank you very much for my subscribers. Please subscribe, like and comment. We help the cats, and if you donate some, you will help these cats too, because I feed 50 cats every day, plus minus, and I need to treat them, sterilize and castrate. Okay, thank you very much.